Hey, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 363 Ford 500 horsepower engine for our customer's 1969 Mustang Mach 1 with a brand new dart block. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals in the 363 Ford here. Double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft in there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Brass freeze plugs installed. Proper front sump oil pan for the 69 Mustang. Roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing black valve covers. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. The air cleaner on there. You have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, aluminum intake manifold. You have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 363 Ford. We installed manifold vacuum fitting in there for any vacuum hookups, all set up. Chrome fuel line on there. You have the fuel pressure gauge all set up, ready to go. Customer is running an electric fuel pump and requested the fuel line on the front passenger side, so that's where we hook it up. We have all the loop clamps, inline gas filter, all set up, easy hookup for him. Chrome dipstick and tube there. We have the black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on there. We have the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here, all set up. AC compressors on there. Correct lower hose water pump for the 69 Mustang Mach 1. Lower hose on the passenger side. Standard rotation water pump. We have the correct thermostat housing. Thermostats installed. Coolant bypass hose. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps all set up. We'll install the proper fitting on the back there so his original lines will go right on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing for you. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put the engine in, it'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. You can text us at that number. You can send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-run business here. So there you have it, our 363 Ford 500 horsepower engine for the 1969 Mustang Mach 1. Thanks for watching.